Welcome back. So we're talking about the fact that you might possibly screw up something. So we're going to demonstrate what happens if you accidentally really screw up your database. So say, for example, you delete some tables and then you commit it and it's gone. So we're going to do that right now. We're going to go ahead and we're going into our database. I'm going to do delete, and then we're going to do from, and then grade, and a semicolon. And I'm going to hit play. Don't do this. 2004 rows deleted. And then you know what we're going to do? We're going to commit this. We're going to commit this change. I'm not paying attention. I know what I'm doing. I'm going to hit commit. I'm going to play this right here and commit complete. And I want to roll back. Semicolon, let's play that right here and roll back complete, and let's get everything inside grade. So select everything from grade. And we'll run that query right here, and there's nothing. I deleted it all. I hit commit, I roll, oh no. What am I going to do? Well, there is a fix for this. First things first, don't just commit randomly. You don't want to commit until you're for sure you're done. Please, just keep that in mind. But say you accidentally destroyed your data structure. Well, we can fix this. What we need to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to open up a file. So I'm going to go up here to the file, and I'm going to go to open. I'm going to browse to the directory I have right here on my lovely home. So we're going to go to home, and I'm going to go to my desktop. And I have a lovely file right here called rebuildstudent.sql. Thwomp! Now, running the script will remove all the data and objects used for Oracle by example series. So it's going to recreate the entire structure. As you can see, it's dropping all the tables. It's dropping any sequences. It's creating the tables. It's building everything on there. It's giving the comments for everything. Look at this thing. This thing is huge. 500, 600, 900, 1400, 4,000 lines of code. Oh, yes, it is that long. Okay, so there's a whole bunch of stuff. Now, this obviously, taking a look at this, will show you how the table and structures are all created and how it all works. But if you delete something, this is the way you're going to have to fix it. So we're going to go up here. We have this lovely rebuild SQL, and once we've got that selected, I'm just going to hit the play button right here, run the script, because this is an SQL script that's right here inside this. I hit play. It's going to run this and create this existing connection, and I'm going to say OK. And it's going to drop all my tables. It's creating all those comments. Lots of rows being inserted. As you can see, insert into enrollment, a whole bunch of values. One row at a time, over and over and over and over. And oh my gosh, this is slow. Oh, we're looking at time. Okay, and as you can see, we're getting close. We're still going 1,600. There's over 1,000 lines in this. Do you see how insane this is? I see you. Yeah. So, click on the graph there. We're almost ready for this. We're going through it. Now, this is why you don't get time. Now, in data final state. That's the last thing you're going to do. All this stuff, all these inserts, all these things, all those guys, blah, blah, blah. Look how long this is. This is huge. And we're going to check our keys 1,000, and boom. We are done. Now I can go back up here. I'm going to go back to my AMCS 2550. I'll rerun that query we just did and select everything from that. And I've got 2004 rows inside my grade database now. Okay, we can do this. It only took us a bit of time, but we have it happening. We're good to go. And 2004s are back right there, so it's okay. So remember, don't roll back until, remember, don't commit unless you're completely and utterly positive everything is good. You can do save points. Those are grand, but don't commit until the very end. Always check that review. Make sure you did the things properly. Don't delete things you shouldn't delete. Never use this delete from grade syntax. That's bad. You always have a where clause. Make sure it's the way it's done. So just as an FYI, in case you accidentally screw it up, that's what it takes to fix it. It does take measurable time, so try not to screw it up too often, because that's a waste of your time and mine too. But I hope you're having a great day. Cheers, thanks, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.